Illinois requires landlords to install carbon monoxide detectors in residential rental properties and to provide written disclosure of this requirement to tenants at move-in. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Here's what Illinois landlords need to know about carbon monoxide detector requirements. Under the Illinois Carbon Monoxide Alarm Detector Act, 430 ILCS 135, landlords of residential properties containing fuel-burning appliances, attached garages, or fireplaces must install approved carbon monoxide alarms. The alarms must be installed outside each sleeping area and on each level of the dwelling. Landlords must provide tenants with written information about the carbon monoxide detectors at the start of the tenancy, including the location of each detector, how to test it, and what to do if it alarms. Tenants have an obligation to test detectors regularly and report malfunctions to the landlord promptly. Landlords must replace or repair detectors within a reasonable time after receiving notice of a malfunction. Failure to install required CO detectors is both a code violation and a potential basis for liability if a tenant suffers carbon monoxide poisoning. Our free Illinois Carbon Monoxide Detector Disclosure Form covers all required disclosure elements under the Illinois CO Alarm Detector Act. For the free form and Illinois landlord resources, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.